Here's how I used Claude AI's connector feature to find forgotten real estate leads in my inbox. My name is Chris Scott. I'm a real estate digital marketer and AI strategist at the Paperless Agent, where we strive to make AI and technology useful, practical, and profitable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI's connector feature to find real estate leads that are hidden in your inbox. Claude connectors let you connect directly to a whole bunch of apps, everything from Asana to Canva to Close to Cloudflare to Figma to Gmail to Google Calendar to Google Drive to HubSpot, Vercel, Zapier. So there are a whole bunch of these apps that you can connect Claude to so that you can use the power of Claude AI directly within that app. There are 5 simple steps to be able to use Claude AI's connector feature so that you can find these hidden leads in your Gmail inbox. The first step is you have to have a Claude account. So just head on over to Claude.ai and set up an account. Now, this feature at the time of this recording does require a pro plan, which is $17 a month. So that's step 2, is to sign up for a pro plan. Step 3 is to add the Gmail connector. In Claude, you'll notice there's this search and tools. If you connect there, you're going to see an icon or text to manage connectors. So click on that. From there, you're going to see that there are some, and you can also browse connectors, and you can even add a custom connector. I'm going to click on the Gmail and click Connect. If it doesn't show up there, just go to Browse Connectors and find Gmail and click on it. And I'm just going to go through the steps to sign up or make this connection between my Gmail account and Claude. Now that I've added the connector, I can go back to Start a Chat. Step number 4 is to make sure that the Gmail connector is activated. So I'm going to go back to Search and Tools, click on it, and where it says Gmail Search, I'm going to toggle that on. Now it's ready for use. Step number 5 is to use this prompt. I am a real estate agent. I want to find old home buyer and seller leads, as well as any opportunities I've overlooked or neglected going back 3 years. This includes opportunities that stopped communicating with me. Access my Gmail, create a list of people for me to reach out to, summarize the context so I know how to follow up with them. Let's click Send. Now, for the purpose of privacy, I've paused this prompt, and I'm going to show you an example of what the output looks like, but with the information redacted. You can see there's good information in here, and it does go back the 3 years. You can extend it beyond the 3 years if you wanted to search even further. So this is a great way to be able to easily use a tool just to find those conversations that you were having that maybe you've forgotten, that you left some business on the table. So this is an easy justification to be able to use this particular tool to find more opportunities. You can use Claude's connector tool to do more than just find leads in your inbox. You can analyze patterns, you can look for opportunities, you can even have it connect to your calendar to help you optimize your time. And that's just scratching the surface of what these tools can do. Please like this video if you found it useful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep getting useful tips, practical tips, profitable tips for AI and technology. I'll see you in the next video.